Hey guys, it's Giselle and we're back with another YouTube video. And today, right here, I have all my stuffed animals so I can do a stuffed animal haul. So, I'm going to show you the stuffed animal and I'm going to show you the name. So, starting off with this one. His name is Loved One because it says with love and it's fluffy. Next one is this one. We call him Big Buggy Hair. Big Buggy Bear, not hair. The reason why we call him that because he jiggles a lot. Next one. Oh, I'm going to show my favorite one for last. This one is called Snowy because he's made out of snow, so yeah. This one's called, wait, I'm looking for this. This one's called, I love you. Yep, I love you. Because it says I love you. This one makes so much noise. Next one. Oh, I'm running out. Oh no. Okay, this one is called Rippy Scary Monkey. My sister does this. I didn't know. It's a rainbow monkey that one of our friends in our old house gave us. Me mommy. Okay. Next one is called the heart emoji eyes. The reason why we call this is because he has the eye and he is happy. Will you come over here? Okay. Next one is this one. Is there one? Oh yeah. Somewhere right here. I'll do this one. This is not mine, but Catherine was gonna give me for my birthday and I already found out. So this is hers now. And her name is Pinkie Pie. I don't like that one sometimes. This is Callie. The caterpillar, but it's Callie. Yeah. You know that book? I don't know what it's called, but I forgot it. But I know what it's called. No, I don't know what it's called, but I read it before, but I don't remember. So, Callie. Next one. My favorite of all. Wait, I have one more. His name is Teddy. Yeah! Ugh, I have hair in my mouth. Ew. So, this was my favorite one. I accidentally ripped it, but my mom's going to fix it. So, this is my favorite one. When I have a fluffy fun day, I take it, and sometimes I take another one. Okay, so Teddy, my favorite of all, is from Disney. And let's hop on to the last and final one. Just looking if there's more. Okay, my favorite of all is my first one. I don't know what they're called. I think they're called... Wait, let me see. Bing Boons. And his name is Beaks. And it says, my favorite fruit is my favorite food to eat. I even like more than meat. And his birthday is on my birthday is in November 16th on my brother's birthday. So yeah. Peace. Oh, and this was a special surprise for my friend. This girl named Genesis, she gave it to me for my birthday. So this was my favorite one. And so yeah. So if you guys Bad idea. If you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye.